Okay, off to Peter Pan for now. Wow. Peter Pan's flight. We made it. Right across it's a small world. Now this looks like it's freshly painted because last time this was all covered. It's freshly painted, you can see. The line for Peter Pan is tremendous. This is insane. The app said it was 30 minutes for this line. Doesn't look like it. It looks a little longer than that. Okay, wow. The line starts here at the Harbour House and then goes through the building, through the Harbour House. Wow, my first time here. And I guess we go up the stairs. Harbour House is pretty nice.
We did find you.
This line is wow. You never had to go through a line like this for Peter Pan ever.
Hi.
Okay, we've been wondering what building that was, but we just went through it and it's called, let me back up a little bit, the Harbour House. There it is. Now you know. Look, the building right across. Who's up there? Somebody's reading a book.
Wow.
Why isn't this open?
I know.
I think it's because it's, I don't know. I really don't know. This is crazy. We would have ate here a long time ago if it was like this. It's like eating in a ship. Amazing. They make it worthwhile eating it up in here. Look at that. Look, there's a hidden Mickey right there. You see that? Fireplace. Check it out, big guy. That's where they cook the pigs. Some dishes over there. Huh?
Somebody was dead in there?
Yeah. And they got a water fountain here. Look at that. Are they functional? Oh, they don't. They don't work. Wow, look at the ceilings at the Harbour House. Okay, here's somebody's review for Harbour House. It is now a place where people can stand in line for Peter Pan. Okay, looks like we just got word from one of the cast members that Harbour House was open around November, around the holidays. So, and it might reopen again. Possibly, depends on the higher ups. It's a small world. Okay, we're passing by. We're still in line, and we're passing by. I don't remember seeing it like that before. That's probably new. Hey, all right, we finally see the front of Peter Pan. They added some plexiglass here. I don't remember seeing this last time we were here. Wow. Look, they got our ships. Right there. We gotta pick one of them. The shields here. Very colorful. Plexiglass all around. We're going for some sort of room here. It looks like artwork all around the hallway here. Wow. Can we buy this? Huh? Oh, look at that one. Wow.
Island. Oh, look, it's the mermaids.
Look, Captain Hook, baby. Wow.
Oh, look, there's Peter Pan, guys.
Wow. That's an awesome picture. You need to buy this for your room. Whoa, London, baby. Wow. Whoa, what is this?
Look, here's Nana.
Whoa. Doggy dog. Wow. It's the three kids. This is insanity. I forgot their names, but I remember seeing them. I remember seeing their names or seeing them in the movie. Wow! It's the window to London, baby. It's amazing. All right, do it again. Look at this cabinet. Oh, toys, huh? Oh no, it says temporarily closed. We're on it right now. I hope that's not the case.
That's for the kids. Yeah. We did.
They have swords and a ball on the bed. Some socks there too. Oh, in Nana's house. Look at that. We need to get one for Rome. Ooh, Peter Pan.
And look, the dog built that. The dog built
Awesome. Someone take a photo of that. This is a huge bedroom, guys. Huge bedroom. We need to make your room like this, sweetie. Okay, thank God we're moving again. Oh, we're in. We smell the ride, and we're here. Woo! Yes! Sitting up the three adults with jaw lap sitters.
Inside the private ship, and please watch your children. Just extra pieces.
Finally in the front of the line. There we go. The blue one. Woohoo!
Yeehaw! Really faster.
Right. We finally made it, thank God. We wanted this ride for so long. Ready? Alright. Woo! Yeehaw! Peter Pan! Whoa! Oh yeah! Oh, I should have stared. Wow! There's a car over there, I think. Carriage. Wow, I hear a dog in the background. This is amazing. Where's the city? Wow. This ride never ceases to amaze. Look at that. The water down there. This is amazing. Wow. Clock tower on that side. Wow, we are above the ground. Big time. There's the moon. Look at the moon. I think it's the moon right there. Look. I saw Peter Pan. Whoa, look at that. Is that a volcano? Waterfall. There's a little mermaid over there. Wow. The ship. The pirate ship right there. Oh! Yo ho! Uh-oh, we're stopped, guys.
May I have your attention?
Oh no.
Please remain seated.
Oh no!
This ride has stopped temporarily and will resume motion at any time.
Oh no!
Please remain seated for your own safety.
Oh, wow.
Thank you.
This has never happened before. We are stuck. We are stuck like chalk. In ride. Yes. All right. Don't worry. We're gonna survive this ride. Look at those guys over there. All right, we're back in the game. Look at Ariel. Woohoo! That's awesome. Ah, look, the Native Americans are here. Oh, they got her. They got her. Oh, they got the kids. Oh no. The bad pirate. He's mean. He's mean. Oh, not an alligator. Oh. Look at the sleeping guys. Oh, Peter Pan. I'm Peter Pan. Oh. Hey, it's Captain Hook. Captain Hook.
Help me!
He's getting eaten by the alligator. Woohoo! We made it, guys! We made it! That was amazing!
And watch your step.
You like that ride again, huh? Yeah! Alright! Alright! Watch your step, big dude! Okay, let's go! Hold my hand! We're almost there! I know! Oh yeah! Kevin! What's your foot, big guy? The alligator ate Captain Hook! What an experience! It never ceases to amaze!